Christian Carpenter here with Everything Residential. We are here in North Mesa with a full entire kitchen remodel. We'll probably show some before photos right now for you. And we did a complete gut. We took it all the way to the block. We re-drywalled it, rewired all of it, and this is kind of what we did. We have beautiful hickory cabinets here, all new appliances, backsplash, you know, all the plumbing done here. Now the cabinets were a trip because she first hired Lowe's to come out and measure, and they measured it incorrectly, and then they fired that person, or they got sick, hired a new person. They still messed up the measurement, and rarely do we take on someone else's cabinets and install them, but we did it for our customer because we go above and beyond here at Everything Residential. So we went to Lowe's, represented our customer, fixed all the cabinet order, got all the measurements down correctly, and we got them ordered, we got them installed, the wiring, the backsplash, we got undermount lighting, we're waiting for a couple connector pieces, and then appliances. There's a couple small things left, like, you know, some tile repair, but we got all the cabinets installed. Now take a look at the ceiling right here. When it comes to these soffits, there we go. When it comes to like these like drop down ceilings, a lot of the times they have it's like lowered with like that plexiglass lighting and fluorescence. Raise it on up. We can't remove this because there's some air ducting in here, but it looks really good with shiplap. You know, it goes good with the hickory, the shiplap, the new LED lights on the ceiling. And speaking of that, we also installed some LED lights throughout the ceiling all the way around. Entire kitchen remodel we did from part A to part Z. Now we're going to show, Nate's going to be over here talking about our media entertainment center we built for her. Here's a quick before photo before Nate goes into detail about what we did. But as you can see, this wall is dead and empty, and it's kind of awkward. Just by adding a little tongue and groove and doing like a unique TV stand with some indirect lighting, you can really make this type of wall feel warm and cozy.
Here in the living room, with the media center here behind me that we built. Custom TV with the TV mount, interchangeable with the light, dimmable for all your living room needs. We went ahead and tapped in with the current electrical here in the wall. Added some receptacles here along the bottom. We used a nice Yashugi burn here on the shelf that we added, and here also on the TV stand. The tongue and groove, we wanted to be a little different and add a little flavor to here. So what we did was we ran it vertical, and then we got above the shelf and we ran it horizontal to give the room a better look and feel. And again, I'm going to stress the TV stands, the TV mounts that we could build for you. Go ahead and let us know if you want one. They're selling cheap here for the holidays.
Hey, we're here with our customer, Diane, and we did the full kitchen remodel, and we wanted to hear from our customers. What was the overall experience with working with us?
It was awesome because there were a lot of problems, and they helped me with every single one of them. And sometimes I could be kind of feisty myself, and they still were able to talk me off the ledge, and it looks beautiful. It's cozy, it's homey, and if there's any problem afterwards, I know I can still call, and they will come and take care of it.
Awesome.
So there's customer satisfaction is 10 out of 10. 100 out of 100.
100 out of 100. And she got a Starbucks, so that's awesome. Cool. Well, thank you so much, Diane.
Thank you.
You guys have a good day.